How's it going, boys? So in today's video, I'm just gonna give you a quick update on my testosterone replacement therapy, or lack thereof, because I stopped taking testosterone. I actually hopped on PCT because I was having issues after injecting the testosterone. I was having a lot of nasty side effects that I talked about in previous videos. So in today's video, I'm just gonna give you an update. It's been about 2 weeks since I stopped, and since then I've been taking HCG that I'm buying here locally in Thailand, and I'm also taking Tongkat Ali, which is a supplement that is supposedly helps enhance the testosterone levels in the body. So I'm trying to improve my natural testosterone levels in 2 different ways basically, and I was gonna tell you exactly how I feel, how it has been going. So to be honest, I expected that I am going to be like depressed. I'm gonna feel very down right after I stop taking testosterone, but that was not the case. Maybe I felt a little bit down first couple of days, but then I was just feeling totally fine. So perhaps it wasn't even related to testosterone. I'm generally actually in a better mood, believe it or not. I'm feeling much more relaxed, much more calm. I don't know why is that. My heart rate, my resting heart rate dropped. So I've gotten to around 54 or 53 beats per minute, which is the lowest I've ever had. So clearly taking testosterone was actually affecting my heart rate. One thing that I'm realizing is that I'm needing a little bit more sleep. So I always wake up in the morning and I feel like getting a little bit more sleep, but it's not really a big deal. I'm still feeling fresh during the day. I'm not like tired or anything. Another point is after I train, I would feel sore more than usual. So I'm probably not recovering in the same speed as I used to, and that's something to expect because my testosterone levels at this point are probably like lower than normal. Soon, in a couple of weeks or so, I'm going to go do a blood test for hormones and everything else, and I'm gonna see where my levels at, if the HCG is actually helping or is just placebo. So stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna update in another couple of weeks just because I don't see huge differences in about a week, so I'm not gonna make like every week an update. For those that are wondering about my sex drive and my ability to have sex, because some people might have like erectile dysfunction after hopping off of testosterone, I am still having sex normally. I don't know about my libido, it's fine. You know, I didn't really notice huge change. I'm still waking up hard in the morning. My erections are still rock hard when I want to have sex, so nothing really has changed. I have to note that I am taking another supplement which is called Nitro Wood. I've spoken about it like a year ago. I've been taking it ever since just because it makes my erections extremely hard. So it makes them harder than usual. I would almost get the effect of taking Viagra when I'm on those supplements, so I really like them and I just buy them in bulk and I take them every day. So they might be helping my erection. Perhaps if I wasn't taking them, I wouldn't be getting such strong erection. But so far I have nothing to complain about. I'm actually working more. I'm making more videos for the channel just because I'm feeling better. Apparently, for me personally, maybe having too much testosterone was affecting me negatively. Now I'm like more calm and less aggressive, I would say. I'm more kind of playful and joking around. I don't know why before that on testosterone I was like a little bit more serious, and you know, sometimes I could be a little aggressive in the way I talk, but now it's just like on the softer side, which I don't know, I guess it makes sense. When you have less testosterone, you're softer, but I personally like it because I usually have the tendency to be like very in the face and very aggressive and very like direct with what I say, and sometimes not saying that and being sort of nicer, softer to other people can be a plus. So that's pretty much it. So I'm working fine, energy levels pretty good, sex is normal. At the gym, I'm not really tracking like if I'm progressing or not. I'm still training normally. I'm getting sore more than usual, but that's to expect, and I'm not really trying to compete or anything. You know, I'm happy to just have a normal fit body. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is I am less swollen. You know, try to compare this video with other videos from the past like few weeks, and you'd see that my face was like bigger. All my body was bigger, just like swollen, full of water, and my skin was like a little bit more red, I guess from blood pressure, or I don't know how exactly it works. So now I'm much less swollen, which is a look that I prefer. I don't like to have this kind of big puffy face, so it's something that I like. It's a very common side effect of testosterone, is that you're generally holding more water. That's why bodybuilders, when they compete, they stop testosterone 2 weeks before the competition, because it makes them look leaner and drier, and they hold basically less water. They more defined for the stage, and so that's the kind of look I prefer. So far I'm happy, and you know, even though testosterone might give me some benefits, the side effects were just way too nasty for me to continue taking it. So far so good. I'm happy that I came off of it, and I hope that my story perhaps helps some people that are not really getting the benefit of testosterone, getting a lot of side effects, and they want to get off of it. Perhaps now you know what to do. Not taking any estrogen blockers, I'm feeling totally fine, so you don't have to take what every kind of bodybuilding forum is recommending you to take. Keep in mind that the dosage I was taking of testosterone is pretty low. It's not bodybuilding dosage. It's like 125 milligram per week, sometimes even less than that. So perhaps if you were taking like a bodybuilding cycle, like 500 milligram, which is normal for bodybuilders, and on top of that some other anabolic steroids, you may not feel as good as I'm feeling, right? So you might need other stuff, but for me personally, I'm feeling great. Just wanted to share this with you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.